ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
द्वितीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
समर्थः पदविधिः
समर्थः पदविधिः
सुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
सुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
सह सुपा
सह सुपा
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीपः समृद्धिवृद्ध्यर्थाभावात्यया सम्प्रतिशब्दप्रादुर्भाव पश्चादतानुपूर्वयोगपद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्यांतवचनेषु
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्ध्यर्थाभावात्यया सम्प्रतिशब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चात् सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्यांतवचनेषु
यथा सादृश्ये
यथा सादृश्ये
यावदवधारणे
यावदवधारणे
सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
अक्षशलाका संख्याः परिणाम
अक्षशलाका संख्या परिणाम
विभाषा अपपरिबहिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या
अपपरिबहिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या
आङ्मर्यादाभिविध्योः
आङ्मर्यादाभिविध्योः
लक्षणेनाभिप्रती आभिमुख्ये
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति
अनुर्यत्समया यस्य चायामः तिष्ठद्प्रभृतीनि च
तिष्ठत्कुप्रभृतीनि च
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
संख्यावंश्येन
संख्यावंशेन
नदीभिश्च
नदीभिश्च
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
तत्पुरुषः
तत्पुरुषः
द्विगुश्च
द्विगुश्च
द्वितीया श्रुतातीतपतितगतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
द्वितीयाश्रितातीतपतितगतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
स्वयं तेन
स्वयं तेन
खट्वा क्षेपे
खट्वाक्षेपे
सामि
सामि
कालाः
कालाः
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलह निपुणमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलह निपुणमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
अन्नेन कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कृत्ये अधिकार्थवचने
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
अन्नेन व्यञ्जनम्
अन्नेन व्यञ्जनम्
भक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
भक्ष्येण मिश्रीकरणम्
चतुर्थी तदर्थातबलिकितसुखरक्षितैः
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
पञ्चमी भयेन
पञ्चमी भयेन
अपेतापोड मुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः स्तोकान्तिकदूरातकृच्छ्राणित्येन
लोकान्तिकदूरार्थकृच्छ्राणिक्तेन
सप्तमे शौण्डैः
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
ध्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
ध्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
कृत्यैर्ऋणे
कृत्यैर्णे
संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञायाम्
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तेन अहोरात्रावयवाः
तत्र
तत्र
क्षेपे
क्षेपे
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजगत्पुरार्णवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजगत्पुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
द्वन्द्वतत्पुरुषयोः उत्तरपदे नित्यसमासवचनम्
द्वन्द्वतत्पुरुषयोः उत्तरपदे नित्यसमासवचनम्
सङ्ख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
संख्यापूर्वो द्विगुः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
पापाणके कुत्सितैः
पापाणके कुत्सितैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
उपमितं
व्याघ्रादिभिः
सामान्यप्रयोगे
विशेषणं विशेष्येन बहुलम्
विशेषणं विशेष्येण बहुलम्
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरमजगन्यसमानमध्यमध्यमवीराश्च
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरमजगन्यसमानमध्यमध्यमवीराश्च
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
तेन नञ् विशिष्टेनानञ्
तेन विशिष्टेनानञ्च
शाकपार्थिवादीनां सिद्धये उत्तरपदलोपस्य उपसङ्ख्यानम्
शाकपार्थिवादीनां सिद्धयोत्तरपदलोपस्योपसंख्यानाम्
सन्मगत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
सन्मगत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टा पूज्यमानैः
वृन्दारकनाककुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
वृन्दारकनाथकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
ततरकतमो जातिपरिप्रश्ने
अतरकतमो जातिपरिप्रश्ने
किं क्षेपे
किं क्षेपे
ओटा युवतिस्तोक कतिपय गृष्टिधेनु वशावेहद्पष्कयनी प्रवक्तृ श्रोत्रियाध्यापकदूतैर्जातिः प्रशंसावचनैश्च
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
युवा खलति पलितबलिनजरतीभिः
युवाकलतिबलिनजरतीभिः
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
वर्णो वर्णेन
वर्णेन
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
मयूरविंशकादयश्च
मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः।
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः पूर्वापराधरोत्तरमेकदैशिनैकाधिकरणे अर्धं नपुंसकम्
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थतुर्यान्यतरस्य प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
कालाः परिमाणिना
परिमाणिना
नञ्
नञ्
ईषदकृता
ईषदकृता
षष्ठी
षष्ठी
याजकादिभिश्च
याजकादिभिश्च
न निर्धारणे
निर्धारणे
पूर्णगुणसुहितार्थसदव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन तेन च पूजायाम्
तेन च पूजायाम्
अधिकरणवाचिना च
अधिकरणवाचिना च
कर्मणि च
कर्मणि च
त्रिजकाभ्यां कर्तरि
त्रिजकाभ्यां कर्तरि
कर्तरि च
कर्तरि च
नित्यं क्रीडा जीविकयोः
नित्यं
क्रीडा
जीविकयोः
कुगतिप्रादयः
सुगतिप्राप्तयः
उपपदमतिं
उपपदमतिं
ममैवाव्ययेन
ममैवाव्ययेन
तृतीया प्रभृतिन्यन्यतरस्याम्
तृतीया प्रवृत्तिरन्यतरस्याम्
त्वाच
वाच
शेषो भगुव्रीहिः
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
संख्यया व्ययासन्नादूरादिकसंख्याः संख्येये
संख्यया
संख्ये
दिङ्नामान्यन्तराले
नामान्तराले
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
द्वन्द्वे घी
द्वन्द्वे
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
निष्ठा
निष्ठा
वाहिताग्न्यादिषु
वाहिताग्न्यादिषु
कडाराक्षर्मधारये
खडाराकर्मधारये
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
Yesterday in the Mundakopanishad class, right? Kritatmanaha aptakamaha kritaha atma yena saha kritaha is nishta. Here nishta is, this is the sutra. Nishta, what vibhakti? Nishta, what vibhakti? It's Pratama vibhakti, right? Therefore, upasarjanam purvam. This is under the adhikara bahuvri. The anuvritti is bahuvriha. So bahuvrihi nishta pratyaya will be purvam because it is pratama vibhakti. Upasarjanam purvam bhavati. So that's why I said if nishta pratyanta, that is the krit pratyanta, nishta pratyanta shabda is there as a purva padam, then it could be bahuvrihi. Or in I mean, if nishta pratyaya is there, it will be purva. Bahuvrihi. Tasi kritatmanaha, kritaha atma yena saha, aptakamaha, aptaha kamaha, yena. This is a sutra. Nishta. Okay. Now, let us continue. Karmadharaya. Karmadharaya, we have completed this 50, 51, 52. Now, kutsitani kutsanaihi. That also, I think, in last class we saw. Kutsitani kutsanaihi. Kutsitani, 1, 3, Pratama Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam. Kutsanaihi, Tritiya Vibhakti. So, therefore, Upasarjanam is Pratama Nadrishtam, Kutsitani is Upasarjanam. Kutsita, that which is Nindita. That is called Kutsitani. Kutsitani Vachini Subantani. Subantam. Kutsana Vachanegi Subantegi Sagasamasyante Samasaha Bhavati Tatpurushah bhavati. Tatpurushah coming as anuvritti. Tatpurushah. So kutsita means that the words kutsita vachini sabantani, the words expressing contempt, criticism. They're compounded with sabanta expressing contempt, and the resulting compound is Purusha. So Kutsitam is Nindyamana. Nindyamana is that which is criticized. And Kutsanam is the Hetu. Kutsyate anena iti Kutsanam. So let's see the Vyutpatti, Kutsyate. It is a Hetu, the cause for Kutsanam. Only this condition is that only Samasa will form by this Sutra. So the Hetu must be that is Kutsanam. With the word Kutsana, Savantam Padam, this Kutsita Savantam Padam will combine. So therefore, Pura Padam must be Kutsita, that which is criticized in Dhyavana. Uttara Padam must be Kutsana Shabda. That is Hetu, that is Kutsana Shabda, the word which, the Nindavachi Shabda. The Hetu is that is, therefore, Kutsana Shabda is used. Kutsana meaning criticism, the words of criticism, Kutsana Shabda. So that is a Hetu. That word is, Hetu is a, therefore Kutsana Shabda is used. And who or what is Kutsita? That will be the Purapada. That is with Sutra Kutsitani in Pratama Bhakti. So Kutsitani, Kutsitam Savantam Padam, Kutsana Savantena Padena Saka Samasyate Samasaka Bhavati. And we saw this example, Vaya Karanacha, so Kasuchihi. Kasuchihi is Kutsana Shabda. Kutsyate Anena iti Kutsana, and the who is criticized, who is looked with contempt is Vyakarana. He is Vyakarana. The Vyakarana is Kasuchihi, his Ninda is done. The cause for Ninda is Kasuchihi, is a dull. That is why is looked with contempt. Kasuchihi. So that is a Kutsana Shabda also. So and Kutsita is Vyakarana, the one who is criticized. Vyakarana is criticized for what purpose? For what quality? Vyakaranatam is criticized. Maybe a good person. Maybe a good person. He may be intelligent in something else, but with regard to grammar it's very dull. So his Vyakaranatam is criticized. The person is criticized for his knowledge in Vyakarana, grammar. So Vyakaranam is Tadita word. From Vyakarana you get. So therefore what is criticized? Vyakaranam or Vyakarana? Vyakarana is criticized. The person is criticized indirectly for his Vyakaranattva. So Vyakaranattvam is the Shabda Pravritti Nimitta. Therefore the Vyakaranattva, therefore Vyakarana. Kasuchihi, Ka is Akasha. So when Krishna is asked about Vyakaranam, is dull-witted, so is dull with regard to grammar, dull grammarian. That's why I said he is with regard to grammar, he may be dull. Maybe with regard to science, he may be good. Maybe clever, smart. So his Vyakaranattvam only is criticized. He may be a good in Vedanga, other Vedangas, Shiksha, Kalpa, Niruktam, Chandas, except Vyakaranam, and Jyotisham also. Maybe a great astrologer, but his Vyakaranattvam is criticized. Vyakarana Kasuchi. So therefore here it might be as the word Vyakaranam, the word of content, or the Vyakarana, neither. Both of them are not. Grammar is not criticized, not the person. Is Vyakaranattvam is what is criticized. So not the person, not the grammarian, not the grammar. So the grammarian is for that we will say example. Vyakarna is choraha, that grammarian. But there Vyakaranatam is not Shabda Pravritti Nimitta. That example also is a counter example. Is Vyakarna and is a thief. One counter example. Vyakarna so choraha. You see here. Kutsitani iti kim. Vyakarna so choraha. Here Vyakaranatam na kutsyate. Is a thief. Is a Vyakarna and is a thief. Is a chora Vyakarna. The compound can be formed. Is a grammarian and is a thief. Chora Vyakarna is a thief grammarian. So here he happens to be a grammarian. Suppose if he is a scientist, is a thief scientist. So here his Vyakaranatam is not criticized. So Shabda Pravritti Nimitta is not Vyakarana. So Vyakarana's choraha is Vyakarana is the Vishesha and chora is qualified. Is qualified by is the thieving action. Therefore choraha cha so Vyakaranaha is a thief and is a grammarian. Is highly qualified grammarian. He is not Kasuchigi. He is expert, adept in grammar. Not dull grammarian. But he happens to be a thief. Therefore here Shabda Pravritti Nimitta is not Vyakaranattva. Therefore, here Vyakarana's choraha you cannot form compound by this sutra. The choraha and Vyakarana, here Shabda Pravritti Nimitta is not Vyakaranattvam, number one. And choraha is not the hetu. There is no hetu. It's not a hetu. Kasuchihi is a hetu. Is dull. Therefore, the grammarian is criticized. But here it is not. Here chora happens to be a visheshanam. Happens to be a visheshanam, and the visheshya, who is the chora? The thief. The grammarian is a thief. So visheshya happens to be the Vyakarana, and chora is visheshanam. Therefore, is chora Vyakarana. It's a counter example, so we can understand the difference between the two. So the one who is kutsita is followed by the hetu for the kutsita, the one who is criticized, and that hetu is kasuchihi. So if that is so, then compound can be formed. Okay, so therefore here this knowledge of grammar, that is what is criticized. The grammarian as such may be a good person, may be intelligent with regard to other fields of science or study knowledge, but with regard to grammar is dull. So is Vyakaranattvam, that is what is criticized. Right? Therefore, kutsitani, that which is criticized, combined with kutsanavachi, here kasuchi is kutsanavachi shabda. Therefore, samasa can be formed by this sutra. Now question may come, why don't we form this compound by Visheshanam Visheshena Bagulam? Visheshanam Visheshena Bagulam. So we cannot form by that sutra. Why? Because this sutra is specifically for Visheshanam Visheshena Bagulam, then Vyakarana cha so choraha, here choraha is Visheshanam, it's qualifying. It's qualifier, and qualified is Vyakarana. So criticism is made of Vyakarana, not Vyakaranattvam of the Vyakarana. He may be expert in grammar, an expert grammarian, but he's a thief. Therefore, compounding cannot make it by Kutsitani Kutsanaihi. So here you will make compound by Visheshanam Visheshena Bagulam. You can make compound only by Visheshanam Visheshena Bagulam. Okay. What is the need of this sutra? Since compounding can be Visheshanam Visheshena Bagulam, Kashikakara answers. Visheshanam Visheshena Bagulam, that sutra going to come, an adjective can combine substantive. The Visheshana Padam combined with Visheshya Padam. Visheshanam is that describes a Visheshya, substantive. Iti Paranipate. What is Paranipata? Visheshanam is Paranipata. Visheshasya Purvanipataha Purvanipatartha Arambhaha. So in the example, Vayyakarna Kasuchihi. Kasuchihi is Visheshanam. Visheshanam Visheshena Bagulam. By that sutra, that Visheshanam is Pratama Vibhakti, therefore Upasarjanam Purvam Bhavati. So by this sutra 2157, Visheshanam should be Purvapada and Visheshya must be Uttarapada. So Purvanipata is Visheshanam. But what we have done, Kutsitani Kusanaihi, Visheshanam, if you take Kasuchi to be Visheshanam and Vayyakarna is Visheshya, Visheshya is placed first. So what is Ishtam there is Paranipate Prapte Visheshasya Nipatartha Arambhaha. So that sutra is restricting the scope of placing the Visheshya as a Parapadam. It is placed Purva. So that is why that sutra is required Kutsitani Kutsanaihi, where the Visheshya is Purvanipata. Visheshya is Purvanipata, placed first. That's why Kutsitani. Siddhe Sati Arambhaha Niyamartaha. So that is Niyamana Sutra, restricting the scope of placing the Visheshya as the Parapadam, as a Para Nipata. It is placed Purnipata. That is why the sutra is required. The sutra restricts the scope of placing the Visheshya to Purnipata. Generally, Visheshya will come. Visheshya, the qualified will be the Uttarapadam. But in this example, in this sutra, you can see, taking this example, Vayyakarna is the Visheshya, it is placed first. So Kutsitani, Pratama Bhakti, the one who is looked with contempt or criticized. So is Purvanipata. So therefore we need the sutra. That is the reason. Then Kasuji we have seen. Kam Suchayati. Kam Suchayati is he just looks at the sky and blabbers something, diverting the topic. Therefore, it's a Ninda Vachi Shabda. Ninda Vachi and Nindyamana is Kasuchi. There is Vayyakarna. And that is Visheshya is placed first. So this sutra is applied when the Visheshya is to be placed first. So Vayyakarna Kasuchihi. So it depends on your Vivaksha. Which one you want to consider as Visheshanam, Visheshya, and want to, that one depending on that. You have to place it first. Of course, it's all Bhaktuhu Vivaksha only. It depends on the deliberation, on the part of the speaker. So I want to emphasize the Visheshya, and he is criticized. In that meaning also very important. Kutsanaihi, Shabdaihi. Etu is there. Therefore, placing the Visheshya first by the sutra, Purnipata. Therefore, Vayyakarna Kasuchihi. Iti Samasa Nishpattihi Bhavati. So Kashikara says, Shabda Pravritti Nimitta Kutsayam Ayam Samasaha Ishyate. When there's a Shabda Pravritti Nimitta, that's a Nimitta, that's a Hetu for using a particular word. So that is there, therefore it is used. Here Vayyakarna is used because it's Vayyakarnatam is only looked at with contempt. Therefore, Shabda Pravritti Nimitta is then the samasa is required. Therefore, this Ayam Samasa Ishyate. Then, so Vayyakarna says Choraha here, the counter example. Kashikar himself says, Kutsitani itikim, I will say, Kutsitani. Your Vyakarnatvam is not, or the Vyakarna is not criticized. Your Choraha may be Kutsana Shabda, Choraha, but it is, the Choraha is not the Hetu for, it's not the Hetu for criticizing Vyakarna. It has nothing to do with Vyakarnatvam. What is the connection? No connection. He happens to be a Vyakarna, grammarian. So therefore, it is not the Hetu. Kutsitani itikim Vyakarnaschoraha nahi atra Vyakarnatvam kutsyate. Vyakarnatvam is not criticized. Therefore, we cannot form a compound. Vyakarna, Schoraha, the thief grammarian. Here Vyakarna is Vishesha and Chora is Visheshana. Therefore, we can change the Puranipata. By Vishesha Visheshana Bagulam, Choraha is Visheshanam and Vyakarna is Vishesha. Therefore, Chora Vyakarna you can say. Again, depends on your Vivaksha. Bhaktuhu Vivaksha. The thief is a Vyakarna. The Vyak is Vyakarna and is a thief. The person is caught is a thief and happens to be a Vyakarna. Therefore, Chora Vyakarna. So, which one you want to consider Visheshanam, Vishesha or Vishesha, that depends on the Vivaksha, the context. So, Vyakarna, if you take it as Vishesha, that will be Paranipata. Choraha is Visheshanam, therefore Visheshanam, Visheshana Bagulam, we can form compound. Chora Vyakarnaha. It's a Chora Vyakarna. The thief grammarian, even in the sentence, English translation, thief grammarian, thief is the adjective. Therefore, Chora Vyakarnaha. So, which one you want to consider? Is a grammarian thief? Is grammarian thief? There is no thief grammarian. Even in English also, the thief grammarian is proper. The grammarian is qualified by, not Vyakarnatvam is criticized. The grammarian is qualified by the word thief because of his action. Chora karma is called a thief. Therefore, Chora, the thief, qualifies grammarian. Therefore, Chora word placing it first. If the context is there where you want to place grammarian as the Purvapada, it is choice. That depends on that's why it depends on the context, depends on the story, depends on the situation. So Chora Vyakarnaha compound can be formed by Visheshana Visheshana Bagulam. But it cannot be formed by this sutra. Here you cannot put Vyakarna as the first. Not possible because Chora is not the Hetu for the Kutsita Shabda. Therefore, compounding cannot be formed. But when the grammarian itself is a contemptuous signification, then the compound will be formed by the sutra. Kutsitani Kutsanaihi. Do you follow?
Yes.
Vyakarna chaso Choraha. I take Choraha to be Visheshana. Generally, we can take general context. If there is some story or something is that where the context comes, then you can swap. Which you want to place as Visheshanam depends, right? So this is not something like a Nilotpalam, blue lily, red lily. Here it is not like that. So he is a Vyakarna and is a Chora. So Chora is Visheshanam, considering Chora as Visheshanam, and Vyakarna as Visheshyam. Therefore, compounding can be done by Visheshana Visheshana Bagulam. Here, Vyakarnatvam is not criticized. Chora is not the Hetu for criticizing the Vyakarna. That's why I said he is not a dull grammarian, maybe a clever, intelligent person. Knows all the entire Ashtadhyaya by heart. So it doesn't criticize his Vyakarnatva. Therefore, compounding can be formed only by Visheshana Visheshana Bagulam. Therefore, we can understand why this sutra is required. The sutra is required for placing the Visheshya Purnipata. When the Visheshanam is a Hetu for the Visheshya. The Visheshanam, that is Kutsana Shabda is a Visheshanam, is a Hetu for the Kutsita Visheshya. That's why the sutra Kutsitani Kutsanaihi is required. Here, in this example, counter example, criticism is made of Vyakarna, not Vyakarnatvam of Vyakarna. He may be an expert, but he happens to be a thief. Therefore, compounding cannot be formed by Kutsitani Kutsanaihi. Here, the word Chora qualifies a word Vyakarna, and hence a compound can be formed by Visheshana Visheshana Vagulam, that we will see. Similarly, Yagikaschaso Kitavaha. Similarly, here also, Kitavaha is a Hetu, it's a Kustanavati Shabda. The Yagikattam of the Yagika is criticized. He's a greedy person. He may be greedy, but he may be a good person, or he may be very highly knowledgeable, be able to perform sacrifice, the yajna properly as the Shastra enjoins. So those qualifications may be there. Yagikatvam is criticized. So Kitavaha. So therefore, Yagika is Kutsita, it's Visheshya, and Visheshanam is Kitavaha, and that is a Hetu for Kutsita. Therefore, Yagika Kitavaha. Similarly, Mimamsaka Chaso Durdurutaha. Mimamsaka so Durdurutaha. Durdurutaha is the one who doesn't believe. Unbelieving logician. Mimamsa is Astika Darshanam. So without reaping the benefits of Mimamsa Adhyayanam, becomes an Astika, the person condemns Ishvara. So that Vindhyamana, the person is criticized. Mimamsaka Durdurutaha Nastikaha iti. So Durdurutaha is a Hetu for criticizing the Mimamsaka. He is a Mimamsaka. He is a Mimamsaka. He has studied Mimamsa Shastra. But what he understood, he is a Nastika. He condemns Ishvara. So therefore, Durdurutaha, the Hetu is there to criticize Mimamsaka. So therefore, Kutsara Shabda is Visheshana, Kutsita is Mimamsaka, who is criticized, Mimamsaka. In spite of studying Mimamsa, Mimamsa is Astika Darshanam, accepts Ishvara, but this person is an Astika, criticizes, that doesn't accept Ishvara. Therefore, he is the Kutsita, Visheshya placed first. And Visheshanam, the Hetu is Nastikattam is a Hetu. Durdurutaha, doesn't believe. Therefore, it is that becomes a Hetu for criticizing the Mimamsa, which is Vishesha, and Durdurutaha is Visheshanam. So compounding can be found by the Sutra, Kutsitani Kutsanaihi. Then we saw why this Sutra is required, because Visheshana Visheshana Bagulam comes later. Therefore, this Sutra, Kutsitani Kutsanaihi, restricts the scope of placing the Visheshya as Paranipata. So, Kutsitani Kutsanaihi and Papanake Kutsitake, those two Sutra, we will see that they were the Visheshya will be okay. In fact, here only, in this Sutra, only Visheshya is placed first. Next Sutra, we will see that Papa and Anaka, the two words. So, the Sutra, Visheshya is placed first. Therefore, this Sutra is required. So, Kashyakara discusses all these things. Then, if compounding of the above examples are to be done by Visheshana Visheshana Bagulam, Kitavaha Yagikaha. He may be a Yagika. He is a Yagika, he is very good at performing, but he is greedy. He is a greedy, just qualifies the person. So, not that he does yajna that should not be done. He is a greedy person, maybe asking for more dakshina possible. So, he is a Yagika, greedy. His Yagikatvam is not criticized. Please note. Here is a Kitava, is a greedy person. Maybe greedy with regard to something else also. Yeah. So when Durdurutaha, Mimamsaha. His Mimamsakatvam is not criticized. His Mimamsaka is not criticized. Durdurutaha, he doesn't believe. Maybe believe doesn't in something else. It's only Kasuchi Vyakaranaha. So if you swap the word, then the context becomes different. Kasuchi Vyakaranaha is Vyakaranatam is not criticized. The person looks at the sky He may be intelligent in Vyakaranam, but is Kasuchihi. The person knows Vyakaranam, but is Kasuchihi, he diverts the attention. So he is maybe dull in something else. This Vyakaranatam is not the Shabda Pravati Nimitta here. It's not, that is not it's criticized. He is a Vyakarana and he is Kasuchihi, he is dull. Dull in what? Dull need not be in Vyakaranam. Like Chora Vyakarana. He is a thief and he happens to be a Vyakarana. Similarly, he is Kasuchihi and he happens to be a Vyakarana. He is Durdurataha and happens to be a Mimamsaka. He is a greedy person and he happens to be a Yatika. So therefore, here it is Yagika, the Uttarapadam, Mimamsaka, they are not Kutsana Shabda. They are not Kutsana Shabda. Kitava, the word, Durdurataha, Katsuchi, they combine with, not with the Kutsana Shabda. So therefore, you cannot form compound by this sutra. You have to form compound only by Visheshanam Visheshena Bagulam. Kasuchi may be Kutsita, but this is not Kutsana. Similarly, another example. Kutsanahi iti kim, why we say Kutsana, Kutsanahi, Kutsitaha Brahmanaha. This is another example. Brahmana is Kutsita, is criticized, is Kubrahmanaha, but Brahmana is not Kutsana Shabda. Kutsita is Kutsitani Kutsana Hebai, that Kutsita, that is Purnipata, but Brahmana is not Kutsana. Brahmana is just a word, it's a name, it's a jati. So therefore, compounding cannot be formed by the sutra. Kutsitaha Brahmana, the Brahmana is a bad Brahmana. Is a Brahmana, his conduct may be bad, therefore bad Brahmana. So Kutsita Shabda is Kutsavati, Nindavachi Shabda. Yeah, in the example, Kutsita is Nindavachi. Similarly, in this example, Kasuchi, Dudruta, all these are Nindavachi Shabda. But Brahmana Shabda is not Kutsana. Vyakarana is not Kutsara. Mimamsaka is not Kutsana. Therefore, compounding cannot be formed by the sutra. So Purapadam should be Kutsita and Uttarapadam must be Kutsana. And Kutsana is a hetu for Kutsita Shabda. Then only compound can be formed by the sutra. Here, Brahmana Shabda is not Kutsana Vachi, therefore, Tamasahana Bhavati. Is it clear?
But we can use Visheshana Bakulam, no? Kutsitaha bad Brahmana means.
Yes,
like,
we can use Kubrahmana, Kutsitaha Brahmana. Compounding can be formed by Visheshana Bakulam, not by this sutra. Right?
yes.
That compounding, see, can form compound. But whether formed by the sutra or not, that is a question. You can form by Visheshana Bakulam. Why not? That you can do. You are Vivaksha. You are qualifying the Brahmana by the word bad, Kutsita. So Kutsita is Visheshanam Purupadam, Visheshya Brahmana Parapadam. So you can form. Okay.
Sharanji, can we put it this way? When we say, Chaura Vyakarana, here Vyakarana is only incidental. We can also say Chaura Purusha, isn't it? Then,
Yeah.
since it's only incidental, then we should place it later. Whereas in the case of a Kasuchi, it is expected that a Vyakarana is not a Kasuchi. Therefore, it is, it's a Ninda Vakya. Because no connection.
Yeah, no
But a
connection.
Vyakarana can be a thief. So it just happens incidentally that it's a Vyakarana.
Yes,
But
exactly.
in case of Kasuchi, it is expected that, he is not dull.
That's why,
So
that's
if
why we use the
expectation
word.
is not there, then I think
Yes.
this applies.
That's why we use the word Shabda Pravritti Nimittam.
Yes.
Shabda Pravritti Nimittam is Vyakaranatam is criticized. Therefore, that is a Shabda Pravritti Nimittam. Otherwise, why should we use Vyakarana? Incidental, yes, it happens. The thief happens to be a grammarian.
Incident. It could have
Not
been
because he is a
stress.
grammarian, he is a thief. That's the
Yes.
problem. Huh?
So
Then
the
all
stress is not on the grammarian. He's just a Purusha. That's all. Chaura
He's
Purusha,
just
we
a
can also
person. He is just qualified by his degree. That's it. Otherwise, all of us will become a thief. Okay. The teacher is thief, students are also thief. That is not the vivaksha. He is just his profession is highlighted. It's just a profession. He's a grammarian and this happens to be a thief. Okay. Yes, that's why Shabda Pravritti Nimitta, right word is used. Karnatvam is criticized. The Chora, the word is Kutsita, but it's nothing to do with Karnatvam of the person, right?
Incident
He's
is-
intelligent. Yeah, it's incidental. Yes.
Yeah. But there it is not incidental. She should not be a Kusuchi.
That is a hetu. In fact, that is a hetu for the using the word for Kutsita Shabda Vyakarana. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Vyakaranattvam, therefore, is that Vyakaranattvam only criticized. In fact, even the person also is Vyakaranattvam is criticized. He may be very good in mathematics, puzzle solving, right? But in grammar is like, okay. The next one, Papa Anake Kutsitaihi. Here, Papa Nanaka. Papa Anake is 1-2, Pratama Vibhakti. Therefore, Upasajanam Purvam Bhavati. Here you can see Kutsitaihi. Kutsitaihi with the word Kutsita, the one who is criticized, right? With that word, with that Papa Nanaka. These only 2 words. Papa Anake Kutsitaihi. So Papa and Anaka, they are Kutsana Shabda. Previously, Kutsana was Paranipata. Now, this Kutsana Shabda, very particularly 2 words, Papa and Anaka. Now they are Puranipata, 154. See the difference between the 2. Papa and Anaka, Papa Anake, Papa, Papascha Anakascha, Papa Anake. Kutsitaihi, Kutsitaihi, Subantaihi, Saha Samasyate. So why the sutra is required? Because Puranipatartham idam arabhyate, Papa and Anaka Shabda, they are Kutsana Vidhayinau. They are Kutsana Shabda. They are Kutsana Vidhayinau. Tayoho Purvena Samasaha Paranipataha Praptaha. By the previous sutra, Kutsanavachi Shabda should be Paranipata. By this sutra, what happens? Puranipatartham Arabhyate. So this sutra is the Niyamana sutra to the previous one. As 2153 is Niyamana to Visheshana Bagulam, this sutra does a Niyamanam to 2153. Right? That's a connection. So Papa and Anaka, this Subanta, Kutsita Vachanehi, the one who is criticized or looked up the contempt, the word combines. Samasyate samasah bhavati tat purushaha. Papa meaning papam, Anaka is insignificant, these are compounded with words expressive of wildness, and the resulting is tat purushaha. So they combine with Kutsita Vachi Samanadhikana. Samadhan, of course, Samanadhikana coming as Anuvritti, we know, because Karmadharya, therefore Vivakti are same, so forming a tat purusha. Now both the words, Papa and Anaka, are Kutsana Vachi. Words of contempt. Kutsana Abhidahi. Abhidahi representative, representing. So by the last sutra, Kutsitani Kutsanaihi, what would have happened? This Papa Anaka would have become Paranipata, second member. But by the sutra, what happens? Samasaya Patamanadishtam Upasajanam Purvam, by that it is placed first. Purva and Anaka are placed first. Therefore, this sutra is Apavada to previous one. In fact, Apavada, we should say Apavada. The sutra is an Apavada to the Purva Sutra. So, example, Papa Napitaha. Papa is Papa, the word, which is Kutsana, and Napita is Kutsita. So, only the word Papa and Anaka, not other words. Okay, restricting only to Papa and Anaka only. So, Papa Napitaha, Papaschaso Napitaha. Similarly, Anakaha Chaso Napitaha, Papaha Cha, Aso Kulalaha, Papa Kulalaha, Anakachas, Anakaschaso Kulalaha, Anaka Kulalaha. Okay. then here both the words Papa and Anaka are words of contempt. Therefore, by the Sutram Kutsitani Kutsanaihi, the words would have compounded, but the word Papa and Anaka should be the should have second members in the previous sutra, but we wanted Purnipata, therefore the sutram is required. Since they are in first case now, they are placed first. Right? This is only for this Papa and Anaka, these two specific words. Understand? Here this. Here you may ask, not discussed here, or let us see Kashika what he says. 2154. Why don't we say Visheshana Bagulam? See the previous, that's why this is not connected to Visheshana Bagulam, the sutra. This sutra is apavada to the previous sutra. That Kutsitani Kutsanaihi restricting the scope of Visheshana Bagulam. So changing the Nipata, Vishesham to the Pura Nipata. This sutra does apavada to the very previous sutra. Papanake Kutsitaihi. So this sutra is connected to the previous sutra 2153. Okay. Therefore, here Papa and Anaka. Here you can see Papa and Anaka are Kutsana Shabda and combined with Kutsita Shabda. So we have two words. One is Kutsana, other one is Kutsita. Kutsitani Kutsanaihi. There Kutsita Shabda is Puranipata, Kutsana is Paranipata. Here also we have Kutsana Shabda, only those two particular words, Papa and Anaka, and Kutsita Shabda. But here what happens? The Kutsana Shabda is placed first, Puranipata. So should be placed first because we have compounds like this, the language Papa Nipata, Papa Kola. Therefore, that requires therefore the sutra is required. That requires placing the Kutsana Shabda as the Puropada. Therefore, the sutra is apavada to 2153. So that is the connection. 2153 restricting the scope of Visheshana Bagulam. And this sutra 2154 is apavada to previous sutra 2153. There the padams are, the Kutsita Kutsana padams are swapped. And this sutra is only for the particularly two shabdas only. Okay. Understand? Nothing more is discussed here. So Papa and Anaka. So when you have Kutsana Kutsita, then we have to check the sutra, whether the sutra is applicable. And if the Kutsana Shabda happens to be Papa and Anaka, then it should be placed first. It should be placed first. And Papa and Anaka, these are the, here also you can see. See, the example, Papa Napitaha. Papa Napitaha. Papa Kulalaha. So here also we have Shabda Pravritti Nimitta. Is Kulalatvam or Napitatvam is what is criticized, right? That is what is criticized. And by the words Kutsana Shabda, Papa and Anaka. Papa is a papi. Anaka is an insignificant person. Therefore, here the Hetu is Papa and Anaka. Hetu is the Papa and Anaka. There is a Kutsana Vachi Shabda, but it is placed first. They require that should be placed for. That's why this sutra is required as apavada to the previous sutra. Understand? Right? So it is in contrast to it is not connected to Visheshana Bagulam. It is apavada to the previous sutra. That's how we have to see. Okay. So Kutsana and Kutsita is there. Therefore, it's apavada to the previous sutra. Other conditions are same. Here also we have this Shabda Pravritti Nimitta is there. it's not just Papa is a qualifier. See, if Papa is just a qualifier, Visheshanam, and Napita is Visheshyam, there is no hetu. This Papa is Kutsara Shabda. That is that's no sambandha. This is not a hetu. Then we can form compound by Visheshanam Bahulam. Okay. Because here Shabda Pravritti Nimittam is the Napitattam is what is criticized. Napitattam of that person. Similarly, Kulalattam of the person. The Kulala is profession is what is criticized. So therefore, we have to form compound only by this sutra. Otherwise, he is like Vayyakarna's Choraha. Choraha Vayyakarnaha. He is a Napitaha and he is a Papi. If the Papa is just a Visheshanam, not the Hetu, then we can Visheshana Bhugulam will do the job. By that we can combine. Okay. So a contemptible barber means what? His profession is Tapitattam is what is criticized, his profession. Therefore, Shabda Pravritti Nimitta is right. So here the contemptible is connected, is a hetu for his barbaritvam, Napitatvam. Okay. Therefore, we need to use, since we have to identify first whether it is Kutsana and Kutsita. If it is there, then how the compound should be formed by 253 or 254, we have to check. If it is Papa Anaka, then the Sutra. Okay. Suppose there is no Shabda Pravritti Nimitta, that is not there. Then you can form Visheshana Bahulam. Again, that's why I said Kartuku Vivaksha, Bhaktuku Vivaksha, depends on the context, situation. A contemptible barber, but contemptible word is not, it's Napitattam is not criticized. He happens to be a barber, suppose. A contemptible person, but his profession is by profession is a barber. Then Visheshana Bahulam. So that it's very important. The Kutsana Vachi, the word what we use, Kutsana Vachi, that that Vayyakaranatam, as we saw, the Napitattam, Shabda Pravritti Nimitta should be there. Shabda Pravritti Nimitta should be there for using the Napitattam. Then only we can form this compound. We can form compound by this sutra. Otherwise, it's just a adjective, substantive. Then Visheshana Bahulam will do. That is why I said this sutra is not connected to Visheshana Bahulam. It is an apavada to the previous sutra. Okay. Look upon like that. So that you will not get confused. Is it clear?
Here they are Tatpurusha Samasa, that's all. They are not Karmadharya or Visheshana.
They are all Karmadharyas are Tatpurusha only.
Yeah. But this is Karmadharya or just Tatpurusha. Tatpurusha cannot.
All Karmadharyas are Tatpurusha, but not all Tatpurushas are Karmadharya. Condition for Karmadharya should be Samanadi Tatpurusha. Tatpurusha Karmadharya Samanadi. Karanam, the sutra is Karmadharya Tatpurusha 1 to 43 or 44. Tatpurusha Samanadikaranaha Karmadharya sutra is there, right? So by that sutra, it is not in this Adhikara 1, 2. Tatpurusha Samanadikaranaha Karmadharya, that is sutra. Okay. Therefore, by that sutra, Samanadikarana Karmadharya is Tatpurusha. Right? So in Tatpurusha which have Samanadikaranam is called Karmadharya. So all Karmadharyas are Tatpurusha, but not all Tatpurushas are Karmadharya. Because we have Dvitiya Tatpurusha, Tritiya Tatpurusha, Saptami, etc. And we are going to see other Tatpurusha also. Right? So all Karmadharyas are Tatpurusha. Okay.
So is it Karmadharya then?
Yes, it's Karmadhare Samasa.
Okay.
How do we say it?
That was my question.
Samanadikarana.
No, it is apavada to that sutram, no? So I had a doubt whether it is
Apavada to
karma.
which sutram?
That kutsita iti.
That also Karmadhare only.
And that is karmadharya, but it is apavada to this example, papana pitaha.
Example, Apavada only in placing what Shabda as Purvanipata. That is the
Okay,
Apavada.
okay.
Karmadhare doesn't change. It's all
Okay.
Karmadhare only. But what is Purvanipata? In the previous one, Vishesha happens to be Purvanipata. Here, Visheshanam happens to be Purvanipata. But Visheshana means that we cannot compound with Visheshana Bahula. Because it is Apavada to the previous, not to the Visheshana. They are talking about Kutsana Kutsita. Very particularly here in the Sutra, Papa Nanaka, those Kutsana Shabda. If it is used and there is Shabda Pravati Nimitta is there, therefore we have to form compound only by this Sutra. Okay.
Okay.
This is
That was
only
my
for the
doubt.
two words, Papa and Anaka.
Yeah. Apavada means to Purva Sutra means I was doubtful. That's
Purva
all.
Sutra is
I
250.
understood now.
Immediate Sutra.
Okay.
So you cannot form compound by Visheshana Bagulam or Kutsitani Kutsanaihi. Again, I'm saying that Shabda Pravati Nimittam is there for Napita, Shabda Pravati Nimittam is there for Kulala, and Kutsanavachi is Papa Ranaka. Therefore, we require this Sutram. Okay. Then, next, this is only for these two words. Okay, Papa Naka. Then Upamanani Vasamani Vachanahi to 155. So to 153, 54, and 55. Now comes here is Upamana Upameya. The comparison is made, right? When two things are compared. When do you compare two things? There must be a Samanya Dharma, right? There should be Dharma, a quality which is common. Not two same things are compared. Two different things are compared for its certain Samanya Dharma, similarities. Then only one becomes Upamana, other becomes Upameya. Right? Upamana, Upameya. What you say as Upamana, what you say as Upamaya, again, depends on your Vivaksha. So therefore, we need the two sutras are there. You see, Upamanani, what vibhakti?
Bahuvachanam, ek,
Pratama.
Pratama
Pratama
Vibhakti.
vibhakti. Therefore,
Vibhakti ekam.
Upamana would be
Purvam Bhavati.
Upasarjam, therefore Purvam. Next
Upasarjanam.
sutra. Next sutra, Upamitam. What is Upamitam? That which is compared. Right? Now, two things are that he was comparing a person to a lion. Comparing a Purusha to a Vyagra, suppose. Now, what is Upamanam? What is Upamitam? Upamitam or Upameyam, whatever it is. Yeah.
Upamanam is lion.
And then
That
Upameyam
man
or
is
Upamitam.
Upamitam.
The second one is says Upamitam is what vibhakti? What vibhakti Upamitam? Pratama vibhakti. And that is Upasarjanam. See the difference between the two. Upamanani Samanya Vachanaihi. There Upama, I give the example, the tiger or lion, that is placed first. Right? The second one, the whom is compared. No, that person, that word is placed first. Understand? So Upama, Upamanani, the first one. Second one, Upamitam. So let us see the two sutras with the distinct examples. So Upamanani, Pratama Vibhakti. Therefore, Upasarjanam, it is Pratama Nidishtam Upasarjanam, Purvam Bhavati. Combined with what word? Samanya Vachanehi, Subantaihi, Samanadikarana, all those. Samanadikarana, the word coming as Anuvrutti. Okay. Samanadikaranena, Samanya Vachana. Samanya is very important. Samanya stands for Sadharana Dharma. Dharma which is common. The word representing the Samanya Dharma. That's very important. Samanya Dharma. That because Samanya Dharma is therefore only comparison. If there is no Samanya Dharma, you can make comparison. So, therefore, Samanya Vachanai Saga Samasyate. Now let us see what are these words. Upamanani. Upamiyate. That which is compared. Sadrishataya. There should be some sadrishata, similarity. By similarity, sadrishataya, parichidyate. It is distinctly, separately, upamiyate, parichidyate. Yaha, what? What is parichidyate? What is distinctly said by its similarity? Tani upamanani. Tani upamanani. Upamanam, the word comes from the madhatu, upa purvaka madhatu and lyut pratyaya. Upamiyate, parichidyate. Sadrishataya yaha tani. That to what is compared to is called upamanam. Samanasya bhavaha samanyam. That is tadita. Sadharanaha dharmaha ityartaha. Sadharana dharmaha. Savane muktavantaha iti samanya vachanaha taihi samanya vachanaihi subantaihi saha samasyate. Siddhanta Kaumudi says upamana vachakani. So upamana, the words of comparison, subantani, samanadikaranaihi samanya vachanaihi. Please note, the upamana is combined with the words of the samanya dharma. The words presenting the sadharana dharma, samanya dharma. Subantaihi saha samasyante tad purushaha samasaha bhavati. Here in this compound, see, three things are required, right? For any comparison, you need, what are the three things? Upamana.
Object of comparison.
Upamana should be there, right? And upameya must be there. And there must be samanya dharma. But in the compound, all the three will be present for this compound.
No.
Here, what is not present, but it is understood. Upameya will not be there, right? Upama is there, and upama combined with the words which represents the samanya dharma, samanya vachana. But the upameya, that is not there, right? The one who is compared, right? To what is compared will be there, and samanya dharma will be there. But who is compared? That is not there, right? In the next sutra, who is compared will be there, and in fact that will be placed first. You understand the difference between the two?
Yes.
If I tell the example, you will know. The example will become very clear. Then sutra not required at all. Anyway, just you'll see. You'll understand what I said slowly. Upamana vachakani subantani. You see, upamana vachakani, that is subanta purunipata, right? Upamanani by the word the sutra. Then it combines with the word samanya vachanegi, samanadikaranegi. Very important. That is the karmadharaya. When we use samanadikaranegi means karmadharaya. Samanya vachanegi, subantaihi, with the words samanya vachana. Samanya vachana, that is the words representing the sadharana dharma. The words sadharana dharma is a similarity, same qualities. Saha samasyante tat purusha samasaha bhavati. Now, upamiyate. Now, what is upamanam? The Kashikara says upamiyate anena iti upamanam. That's the current and that which is to what is compared. Upamiyate anena, by what a thing is compared. That is upamanam. Therefore, upamana vachini savantani. Okay, samanya vachanani savantagi samasyate. Okay. Upamana upameyoho sadharana dharmaha. Between the two, there must be a common feature. Sadharana dharma is common feature. Okay, samanya vachana. Another word for samanya vachana is sadharana dharma. A common feature is a certain similarity. If both are same, then there is not required. That was two are different things, but certain similarity. A common feature is tad vishishta upameya vachanahi ayam samasaha. Tad vishishta upameya. What is upameyam? Tadita word for Upameya. Okay. So Tad Vishishta Upameyam. That is Upamana Vachanam combined with Tad Vishishta Upameyam. Tad Vishishta, that is Samanya Dharma Vishishta. Tad Vishishta is that Samanya Dharma, that is the words describing the feature which are common with that word. This Upamana Shabda will combine. Tad Vishishta Upameya Vachanam. Upameya is that what is compared, that is Upameya. So Tad Vishishta Upameya Vachanam Chanaihi Ayam Samasaha. The case inflected words denoting objects of comparison are compounded. See, Upamana compound with words denoting what is likened to them. Tad Vishishta Samanya Dharma Vishishta Upameya Vachanam. It is not directly Upameya Vachanam, but this it is what is likened to them by reason of the latter possessing qualities in common with the former, and the resulting is Tat Purusha. Okay, that by or to which a thing is compared is called Upamanam. Upamiyate anena iti Upamanam, and Upameya is Upamiyate iti, that which is compared to, the thing compared. It's called Upameya, and the Upameya is called, the thing compared is called Samanya. The words denoting the common quality is called Samanya Vachana. Upameya, the what is compared, and that is called Samanya in this sutra. So Upamatum Yogyam Upameyam Upamiyate anena iti Upamanam atava Vastuantaram Svavati Dharmatvena Parichidyate Tatu Upamanam. Another Vastu Svavati Dharmatvena Parichidyate. It is distinct. It is distinguished. Yena by what? It is called Upamanam. They are not same. Certain feature is same. Therefore, that is because of that they are as though they are equated, not exact. Therefore, antaram vastu, yena antaram vastu anya vastu. Swavatti dharmatvena parichidyate. Then upamana upameyo sadharana dharmaha samanyam, and upamavachi shabda is iva. Iva will be used when we do the compound. When you give the vigraha vakya, upamavachi shabda iva will be there because they are not same, right? They are same, as I told you, we cannot compare at all. Iva Shabda. Now you see the example, you understand. Ghana Iva Shyamaha. Ghana Iva Shyamaha. Ghana is black. So Ghana Iva Shyama. Ghana Iva Shyamaha. Ghana is cloud, sorry. Okay. So Ghana is Upamanam. Upamanavachi. Iva Shyamaha. Shyamaha is black. So Ghana Iva Shyamaha. So Ghana is Upamanam. It is compounded with the word Shyama. Shyama indicates the Upameya. The Samanya Dharma is Shyama. Shyama means black. What is black? Krishna is also black. And Ghana, the cloud, also black. So Samanya Vacha of the Upameya, Tad Vishishta Upameyam, I am Samasta Kishyate Ashegara said. The Shyama, which is a black, Shama meaning black, and who has that black? Krishna is black in color, so therefore it's compared. Ghana is Shamaha. Krishna is compared to the cloud for its Samanya Dharma, blackness. Therefore, Krishna is black like a cloud. So, Shama is indicative of black color. Samanya Vachanam of the Upameya. Of the Upameya to one who is compared. Upameyam, Tad Visishta Upameyam, Samanya Vachanam. Gana Shabdaha Upamanam. Therefore, Shama Shabdaha is Upameyam. But Shama meaning black only. But we understand what is black. We are not talking about black. It means not black ball or black the tila, sisame seed. No. We know it is Krishnaha here. So Shyamatvam is Samanya Vachanam. The common feature is Shyamatvam. And Upamavachi is Iva. So therefore, when you form the compound, when you give the Vigraha Vakya, Gana Shyamaha is a compound. So Gana is Upamana and Samanya Vachanam is Shyamaha. which is representative of this upameya. The common feature is a common feature. The upameya is represented. So Gana iva Shyamaha. Gana iva Shyamaha, black like the cloud. You will ask, who is that? Krishnaha iti. Right? Ganaha iva Shyamaha. Shyamaha is black. Samanya Vachana. Samanya Vachana of the Upamana and the Upameya is Krishna. So with that Samanya Vachana, this Upamana Vachi Shabda combines. And Upamanani Pratama Bhakti. Therefore Purvam Bhavati and Samanya Vachana Samasyate Samasaka Bhavati. So, and you will have the word Iva. Shama is a quality common to Krishna and cloud, the blackness, the black color. So Gana is Upamana, which is to which it is is Upamana, it is compounded. It is compounded with Shama. So Shamaha is equal to Krishnaha. Shama is equal to Krishnaha. That Vishishta, Samana Vishishta Shabda, it is representing that Upameya. Not, that's why I said not directly. Samanya Vachana represents Upameya. That is, represents the Upameya that to what is compared. Right? So Shama Gunaha Asya Asti iti Shamaha. Shamaha means that which has Shama Guna, blackness. Black, it's called Shamaha. So therefore, not just black is compared. Cloud is black only. Then what is black? Black cloud is black. Ganaha, Iva Shamaha, Krishna is one who is black. So Shamatva Gunam Asti. Therefore, that is the Samanya. So therefore, the Samanya Vachana representing the Upameya with that word. This Upamana Shabda combines. So Shamatvam Asti. So in analyzing the compound, we must use the word Iva as Gana Iva Shamaha. Not the other way. Okay. That's why what is Purva, what is Para is important. The Sutra Upamanani Prathamanadishtam. So Upama should be placed first. If you place it otherwise, then the compounding will be by the next Sutra. So Upama is Gana. The words of comparison is Gana. Gana Iva. Upama Vachi Shabda. Iva Shamaha. Shamaha Samanya Guna of the Upamana and Upameya. And Samanya Guna representing the Upameya, which is Krishna, understood. The Shamatvam is common, the feature. Therefore, Gana Iva Shamaha. So this is merely a simile and metaphorical usage of the word. Now compounding is Gana is Upamana, therefore Prathamanadishtam Purvam Bhavati, Samase, Vasajanam Purvam Bhavati, and with the word Shama it combines. By the Sutra Upamanani, Samanya Vachana is Tatpurushaha Bhavati Karmadarayaha. Okay. Upamanani idam padam Prathamanadishtam, therefore Prathamanadishtam Vasajana Sanya, Vasajanam Purvam Bhavati, Purvam Krita Vaidan. The Ekapatita Samasa, I get Pratipadika Sanya. Right? Then just a minute, 1 minute, please, sir. Hello. Sir, no. Yes. Say. MIT Pako. Yeah. MIT Pako. MIT. Radha main road clear. Yes. Radha main road parallel road. எனக்கு அது தெரியாது எனக்கு நீங்க வந்து காம்பட் ஸ்டேஷன் இறங்குங்க காம்பட் ஸ்டேஷன் இறங்கிட்டு எம்ஐடி பக்கம் வாங்க அங்கே ஆட்டோ பிடிச்சிருந்தீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொல்லுவாங்க Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Today, the Shraddham is this is the Mahalaya Paksha, father. So, Vadyar God. Sorry. Kartatita Samasascha iti sutrena Pratipadikam bhavati. Then Upadhatu Pratipadika yoga. Look. So, therefore, you get Ganashyama. Then you can decline. Ganashyamaha, Ganashyamo, Ganashyamaha iti. Similarly, you understand, right?
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, Ji.
So, therefore, all the words Upama, Upamanam, Upameyam. So, if you see, the Upameya Shabda is not there, but the word representing the Upameya and that is the Samanya Dharma is seen in the compound. Samanya Dharma representing the Upameya. So, Niradaha, Nirada Iva Shyamaha, another word. It's another compound. Nirada Iva Shyamaha. Then Karpuraha Iva Gauraha. Nirada Iva Shyamaha means Nirada is cloud only. So same as Ganaha Iva Shyamaha. Then Karpura Iva Gauraha. So Karpura is camphor. So like camphor, pure white. We say no. It's like a pure white, like a Karpura. So Karpura Iva Gauraha. What? That is Upameya. The Upameya could be anything. The white, that which is in white. That white, not that Karpura is not compared with the white. Karpura is compared with that where no, which is the Sama, it is Dharma, common to Karpura as well as that is Gaura. Gauratvam. Dugdam eva dhavalam. Dhavalam also white only. Shweta. Gauraha, Dhavala, Dugdam. Dugdam eva dhavalam. We can say Dugda Dhavala Vastram. Vastram, the dhoti, is pure white, like a milk. So Dhavalam is the common feature, Samanya Vachana, of Dugdam and Vastram. So Dugdam eva dhavalam. Therefore, in the compound, you don't see the Upameya directly. You see the Samanya Vachana. That is why the sutra. Upamanani Samanya Vachanehi. Sudhakaraha iva Manogaram. Sudhakaraha is Chandraha. Chandravat. So Sudhakara, Manogaram, Mukam. So Mano, like, what is the now Samanya Vachana? Manogaram, attractive. Chandra, as well as the face of that person. So that is a Samanya Vachana. So Sudhakara iva Mukam, a Manogaram. Like a moon, it is attractive, the face of the person. Shankaha iva Pandaraha. Here Pandaraha also white. Pure white like the Shanka. Shirisham iva Mridvi. So Mrid is soft. Mridutva. Like the Shirisha. Shirisha is a flower. So like a flower. The Shirisha flower is very soft. The person is very soft. He or she, whatever may be. Mrid. The Navanitam iva Komala. Here also Komala, softness. Like the Navanita, like the butter. Navanitam iva Komalaha. Krishnaha, you can say, or Komala Radha, whatever. Tadit iva Pishangi. Tadit iva Pishangi. Tadit is what is it? Lightning, right? Tadit. Tadit Shabda also we have seen. Tadit. Tadit iva Pishangi. Pishangi is what is the word? Pila. Pila means what color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yeah. So that's like the cloud is like the like the thunder. Thunder is yellow, maybe.
Tadillata.
Tadit is
It's lightning only. In Tadillata, it is coming in Lalita Sasnam.
yeah,
They
Tadit, yes.
give the meaning as her waist is like lightning.
Yes, yeah, Tadit. So Tadit, Tadillata, yeah, Tadit also means I think yellowish also it is, I think. Yellow or reddish?
Reddish yellow it is given.
Reddish. Okay. So it's a comparison. Then next one is interesting. Mrigiva Chapala. Here, like a Mriga Chapala, qualifying some Strilinga word. Okay. So therefore Mrigiva Chapala should be Mrigi Chapala. No, but Punmat Bhavaha happens. Chapala is as its equivalent masculine form. Therefore Mriga will become Mrigi. Sorry, Mriga as its equivalent form. Mrigi as its equivalent form Mriga. And Chapala, the feminine word follows. You know, the Pumbat Bhavaha, that Bhashita Pumskam, then Pumbat Bhavaha will happen. We have seen the sutra, in fact. Pumbat Kramadarya Jatiya Deshiyeshu for the previous, that Pachaka, Vrindaraka, etc. We have seen Pachika Cha, Aso Vrindarika, Pachaka Vrindarika, we have seen. Remember?
Yes.
So that is the example given for this sutra also, 63:42, if you see. So, Karmadaraya, Pumbat, Jatiya, Vishayeshu. Karmadaraya, Jatiya, Vishayeshu, Pumbat Bhavah Bhavati. That is, Purva Padam will be replaced by equivalent masculine form. In the context of Karmadaraya, Jatiya, Deshiyeshu, Vishayeshu. Karmadaraya Samase, Jatiya, Deshiya, Yatayoho, Pratayoho, Bhashita Pumskat, and Anung Striyayaha Pummant Bhavati. The Srilinga, which doesn't have Ung Prataya, that will be treated to be masculine. That we have seen, Kopadayaha, etc., all those sutras before. So you can see the example. Pachaka Vrindarika, Pachika Chasa Vrindarika, Pachaka Vrindarika. Right? So you can note this already. We have seen this. The Pumbat Bhavaha Bhashita discussed in the beginning itself. So therefore, Mrigi will become Mriga. The Mrigi derived from Mriga only. So it has equivalent masculine form. Pumbat Bhavaha Bhavati. Bhashita Pumskat. That Anung Striyayaha. Therefore, the Uttarapadam is Srilinga. Then the Purva Padam, which has equivalent masculine form, will be replaced by the masculine Rupam, Pumbat. Therefore, Mriga Chapala you get. Then the next one also same. Amsi Iva Gadgada. So it makes a sound like a Amsi, Amsa, Amsi. Amsi. Okay. Then Gaja Iva Stulaha, like a lion, it is very strong. Then Kumadaha Iva Sheni. Kumadaha Iva Sheni. Sheni is white, like a lily white. Yamaha Iva Ruchira. Yama Ruchira. Yamaha is, the Yamaha is, it is a stone, right? Yamaha, gold. And Ruchira means pleasant, Ruchira. So it is brilliant, or can say brilliant. So like the Hema, it is very shining, Ruchira, Yama Ruchira. Maybe all this comes in Namavari summary, you see, Yama Ruchira. Shastri Iva Shyama. Shastri Iva Shyama. Shyama is black. And it is Shastri. Shastri meaning, this sword, right? Shastri Iva Shyama. Like a sword. Is a Shama, is black. Sword is black in color, maybe. Okay. Shastri Iva Shyama. That's the meaning. So here in the Pumbadvana will happen, Shastri Shama only. So Shastri is sword, Shama is black. So Shastri Shama Devadatta, you can say. Shastri Shama Devadatta, like the sword, the Devadatta is Shama, black in color. So Shastri Upamana, and Devadatta is Upameya, and Samanya Dharma is Shamatvam, that is Sadhana Dharma, and that is Shama. Then next example, which is very famous, Ya Kundeli Tusharahara Davala, Ya Shubra Vastran Vita, Vinadanda Saraswati Stotram, right? So Davala means white. Davala meaning white. Kundendu Tusharahara Davala. Kunda Indu is moon. So like the moon, which is white, and Tusharahara Davala. Tushara is snow, right? So that here it is Saraswati is described. So therefore, Kunda Indu Tusharahara Davala. So Davala Iva, right? Like a Davala. So that is what here it is compared. So Kunde Indu Tushara Ara Davala. So Indu is moon. Kundendu, the moon which is very cool, right? And it is Kunde de Tusharahara Davala. See, Kunda is jasmine flower, okay? Indu is moon. And Tushara is snow, right? So Kunda, Indu, Tushara, all these are white. Hara is a necklace. The hara is that which she wears. So Kundendu Tusharahara Davala. Kunda is jasmine flower, and Indu is moon, and Tushara is snow. So Kundendu Tushara Hara Davala. So we can take like this. She is Kunda, like a jasmine flower, she is white, and Indu all are white. Therefore, we have to now give some qualities to that word. Like a flower, she is fragrant, or like a flower, she is white. Like a Indu, she is cool, pleasant. Tushara Hara. So that Tushara is snow, and the Hara is what she wears in the neck. So Davala is white. So the Kunda Davala, Indu Davala, Tushara Davala. So all these are white. So Davala is the Samanya Vachana. Who is that Davala? Saraswati. So these words, these are all Upamana. Kunda, Indu, Tushara, all these are Upamana. But they are made into one word, that is Dvanda Samasa. Kunda, Indu, Tushara, Hara. Ara is Trilinga, then Davala, therefore Vashita Pumska, it becomes Pullinga, therefore Tushara, Hara, Davala iti in the shloka. Okay, the one who is white, like Kundu, and like Indu, and Tushara, and wearing the necklace, the hara around her neck. So that is the Kunde Tushara Davala. So it is a Karmadhari Samasa. First you have to form the hara, which is what she wears, is as a white, as a color white, and as all the properties, that hara. But here whiteness is only described. You have to take white, the hara, which is white in color, like that of a Tushara, of the Indu and Kunda flower, jasmine flower, and she is white. That's Saraswati. Saraswati. Okay. Therefore, is hara, is necklace, is what is compared. And who is wearing that? Saraswati. Kundendu Tushara Hara Davala, Ya Shubhra Vastranvita. So all are Strilinga Saraswati Stotram. Okay. So Davala meaning white. So that is Samanya Vachana. Davala Saraswati. Okay. First, further we have to probe into the shloka to get when I do see little bit detail. Okay. But we can understand. So Upamana, this is Upamana, and the other one is Upameya. Samanya Vachana. Representing the Upameya Saraswati. Then Negrodha Parivandala, the tree, which is talked about, which is compared. And Mrga Chapala Devata. This already we saw. Mrga Chapala, like Mrga is Chapala. Devadatta. Mrgi Iva Chapala. Mrga Chapala. Okay. Mrga Iva Chapala, Mrgi Iva Chapala. Depending, whatever it is. Mrga also you can say like a deer or Mrgi Iva Chapala. Even if it is Mrgi Iva Chapala, it will become Mrga Chapala only. Then Kashika. Upamanani Tikim. Devadatta Shama. Here there is no Upama. There is just a statement of fact. Devadatta is black in color. So there is no comparison made here. Like Ganaha Iva Shamaha. So you cannot form compound here. Devadatta is one who is compared. And where is the words of comparison? Not there. Therefore, Devadatta is Upamita and Shama is, if you take it Samanya Vachana, but where is Upamana? Not there. Therefore, you cannot combine and form Samasa. Samanya Vachana hi tikim Pala iva Tandulaha. Pala iva Tandulaha. Therefore, there is no Samanya between the two. Parvata iva Balaha Kaha. So Palaha is Tandulaha, not Tandulaha, it is Tandulaha. The rice are like Tandulaha, like the fruits, Pala iva Tandulaha. Pala iva Tandulaha. So the fruits are like the rice are like the fruits. In what way? What is it compared? It is there is no Samanya here. Similarly, the Parvata iva Balahakaha, the clouds like mountains. So here Upamana Upamaya is there, but where is the Samanya Dharma, Sadharana Dharma? Not there. Instead of Tandula, here something should be there. Suppose if it is the strength or the hardness is there, Samanya Vachana should be there. Therefore, Upamana Vachana is there, Upamaya is there. But where is Samanya Dharma? Not there. The rice are like fruits means you are comparing that there should be some Samanya Dharma. If it is not there, then you cannot combine. And it should be, in fact, the Upamana combined with Samanya Dharma only, not to the Upamita, Upamaya directly. So you cannot form compound. Okay. Then these are examples, counter examples given by the Kashikakara. Palaha, no, Palaha comes. Pala maybe Pala. Pala is Napumsakalinga. Anyway, just note this. This is the example even given in other books also. Palaha iva. Palaha. I think it is maybe a Pala. To check. Pala is maybe a word. Must be there. Pala iva Tandulaha. The word is Pala, not Pala. It's a typo in the website. It should be Pala. Palaha iva Tandulaha, not Pala. Okay. Let me check the dictionary and tell you later what is the Palaha. You can take it is the word for fruit. Palam is Napumsakalingam and Pala is Pullinga. Or Pala could be a word derived with, maybe could be Tadita word. Let me check. Okay. So Palaha iva Tandulaha, not Palaha, that's a type. It should be Palaha. Visarga is there, no Visarga gone. So only Parvataha iva Balahakaha. Okay, this sutra is over. So therefore Upamanam Samanya Dharma Samanya Dharma Samanadikaranaihi. Next one is Upamitam Vyagradibihi Samanya Prayoge. Samanya Prayoge. Vyagradibihi is Vyagra, etc. Tiger, etc. It's a Gana actually. It's an Akriti Gana, it's an open Gana. So more words can be, in fact, added. It is. And the sutra, if you see, Upamitam is Pratama Vakti, therefore Samase Pratama Dajistum Pasarjanam Purvam Bhavati Purnipata. That which is, that what is, the compared, Upamita. Upameya, that will be Pratama Vibhakti, that will be Purvanipata. It is in Pratama Vibhakti, therefore Purvanipata. So therefore the word denoting the basis of, when the word denoting the basis for comparison is not used, Samanya Aprayoge, that is Sadharana Dharma is not there. So two things are compared, there must be Sadharana Dharma, Samanya Vachanehi, as we saw in the previous sutra, that Aprayoge, that is not used. That is not used. Samanya Dharma, Sadharana Dharma, the word is not used. Then the Upamita, that which, what is compared, may combine with Vyagradibihi. So Upamita is what is compared with what is compared. Upamana, that is Vyagradibihi. Vyagradibihi are the Upamana, it's a Gana. So Vyagra, etc. So those are the Upamana Vachi Shabda, and Upameya Vachi Shabda is what is compared is Upameya Vachi Shabda. Therefore, Upameya Vachi Shabda, Purvanipata, and Upamana Vachi Shabda is Paranipata. Where is Samanya Dharma? Not there, not mentioned. Aprayoge, when it is not used. When a word denoting the basis of comparison is not used, then the Upamita can combine with the Upamana and form compound by the Sutra. And the Upamana Shabdas are in the Vyagradi Gana, which is an Akrati Gana. Samanyasya Siddhanta Kumadikara Sadharana Dharma Vachi Shabdasya Aprayoge, not using Aprayoge, Anucharane Sati. It is there, but it is not Ucharitam. Otherwise, you cannot compare. Otherwise, there cannot be Upamana Upameya. Upamana Upameya implies is Sadharana Dharma, but it is not mentioned. Upamitam is Upameya Vachi Subantam Samanadikaranaihi Vyagradibihi Subantegi Saha Vibhasha Samasyate Tat Purushaha Bhavati. Now Kashikakara says Upameyam Upamitam Tadvachi Subantam Vyagradibihi Samartyat Upamana Vachanaihi Samasyate. Upameyam is equal to Upamitam. Upameyam all same only. So Upameyam or Upamitam both mean same. Okay. Tadvachi Subantam, that Subantam Padam representing the Upameya combined with the Upamana Vachanaihi, that is Vyagradibihi, Samartyat, that should be Samarthya, should be able to combine, it's Samartha Padavidihi, that is why Samartyat. Samasyate Tat Purusha Samasaka Bhavati. Nachet Samanya Vachi Shabdaha Prayujyate. When it can happen? Only when Samanya Vachi Shabda is not there. Therefore, Upamana with Upameya you can see only with no mentioning of Samanya Vachi. When Samanya Vachi is there, then Upameya will not be there. That is by the previous sutra. Only Upamanam, this Samanya Dharma. When Upamita combined with Upamana, there will not be Samanya Dharma. That is by this sutra. So this is what these two sutras says. 21, 55 and 56. If Samanya Dharma is not there, then compounding by, if you don't want to mention, then compounding by 56, where the Upamaya will be the Purvanipata. Upamanam Paranipata. If Samanya Dharma is to be mentioned in the compound, then Upamana will be there. Samanya Vachanam will be there. Upamaya will not be there. That is by the previous sutra. Now, example you can see. Purushaha ayam Vyagraha iva. So Purushaha Vyagraha iva. Purusha Vyagraha. The Purusha is not a tiger. The Purusha is like a tiger. So therefore, the strength is compared, the bravery is compared. The Purushaha, the Vigraha should be like this. Purushaha iva Vyagraha. No, not like the Purushaha Vyagraha iva. Not Purushaha iva Vyagraha. Then the meaning will change. Purushaha iva Vyagraha means the Vyagra is like a tiger. The Vyagra is a tiger. The Vyagra is like a Purusha. If you say Purushaha iva Vyagraha, then Vyagra becomes the Upameya and Purusha becomes Upamana. That's a problem. That is what not intended. If you want, you can make that also. That's a different thing. So where you use the Iva is important. Purushaha Vyagraha Iva, not Purushaha Iva Vyagraha. Please note. If you say Purushaha Iva Vyagraha, then Vyagra becomes the Upameya and Purusha becomes Upamana. Then you cannot combine by this sutra. And there is no Samanya Vachanam also. So you cannot do. So Purushaha Vyagraha Iva. So Purusha is Upameya and Upamanam is Vyagra. Therefore, Upameya Vachi Shabda, Upamana Vachi Sabantai Samasyate Samasaha Bhavati Purusha Vyagraha. So how do you write the Vyagra Vakya is very important. Iva should be placed after Vyagra. Purushaha Vyagraha Iva. Whereas in the previous one, we place Iva after the Upamana, before the Samanya, right? Ganaha Iva Shyamaha. Purushaha Vyagraha Iva. Understand? Right? The subtle thing, but to be noted. You follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ji.
So Visheshana Bhogalam. Why don't we do combine the sutra forms of compound by the sutra? Visheshana Bhogalam iti Paranipate. Paranipate prapte Visheshasya Purvanipatartha Arambaha. Visheshasya here. Which is Visheshanam? Here also Vishesham is that. Okay. The Purusha is compared to a tiger. Vishesham is placed first. Purusha is the one Vishesha who is compared to tiger, right? Purusha Vyagraha. Therefore, this is also Apavada to Visheshana Bhagulam. Okay, this is a modification of the Sutram Upamanani Samanya Vachanaiki, where Upamana, where the Upamana is a Purva Nipata, and here it's Upameya is the Purva Nipata. That's the difference. Now, more example you can see. Purusha Vyagraha. I am Purushaha Vyagraha. This person is like a tiger. So Purushaha is Upameyam or Upamitam. Both are same. And Vyagraha is Upamanam. Samanya Vachaka Shabda should not be there. That is why Samanya Prayoge. Samanya Aprayoge. Then Mukha Padmam. Mukham, not Iva Padmam. Mukham Padmam Iva. The face like a lotus. Mukham Kamalam Iva. Purushaha Rishabhaha Iva. Simha Iva. Vyagraha Iva. Purusharshabha. It comes in Gita also. Purusharshabha. Bharatarshabha, yes. But here another thing interesting is what happened to the compound? You know what happens here? Sandhi. A plus R. That you can note. What happens here? A plus R. Why don't we do?
Then
What is that? You remember?
Prakriti.
Prakriti Bhavaha Vikalpena Bhavati, right? Purusha Rishabha also it is there. And Purusha Rishabha.
Rishabha.
Very specifically, Sutra is a Rityakaha, remember? Once upon a time, long back, we sort of forgotten, I think, Rityakaha, Prakriti Bhavaha, Pruta and Prakrigyam, all these things we have seen. When does it happen? Rityakaha. Padantak followed by Rikara. Here Purusha is the Purapadam ending with A. It's a Padam, right? And Rishabha is Uttarapadam. Then the Uttarapadam beginning with Rikara. Therefore, what will happen? Prakriti Bhava will be optional, right? In case of, we have seen Prakriti Bhava, what will happen? Without Prakriti Bhava also, we have seen what will happen, right? If Prakriti Bhava happens, in case of, this Prakriti Bhava, if it's supposed to be Dirgha, it will become Rasva, like Raja Rishi and all we have seen, right? So Raja Rishi. So here Purusha is not Dirgha, it is Rasva only, right? It is Rasva. Therefore, you can say Purusha Rishabhaha. Prakriti Bhava it is. The Samasa Prakriti Bhava only will prevail. So if you are doing Sandhi between the two words, Purusha and Rishabha. And Sandhi, we have, the choice is, whereas in context of Samasa, it will be Prakriti Bhava only. Okay, Purusha. Therefore, we have Purusha Rishabha iti. Understand? So this is by the Sutarutyakaha. Okay. The context of samasa, so Prakriti Bhava will apply. So Prakriti Bhava, that is by the Sutarutyakaha. You can see Rutyakaha, the sutra. We have seen long back. Rutyakaha, Riti. So Riti is follows, Rikara follows. Yakaha, ak. When ak letter followed by Padanta, important, followed by Rasva Rikara. Samgitaya Vishaye. Shakalya Namatena, Rasva Desha Bhavati. If it is Dirga, then ak letter is Dirga, then become Rasva. Tadantaram Sandhikaryam na Bhavati. Sandhikaryam should not happen. If it is Dirga, then become Rasva. After that, Sandhikaryam will not happen. That's why we have Raja Rishigi. We have seen example.
Yeah.
So here, Sapta plus Rishihi. Sapta plus Rishi, Avarna Dirkare Likare Pare, Gunaika Desham Baditva, Rasva Desha. So then, Prakriti Bhavaha. So, Avarnath Rikare Likare Pare, Guna Ek Adesham. Baditva, Rasva Desha, Prakriti Bhavaha. Here already it is Rasva. Therefore, Prakriti Bhavaha Sapta Rishihi. So, Brahma is there. Brahma will become Rasva Desha and then Prakriti Bhavaha. If you do Sandhi, then Brahma Rishihi, Guna Sandhi. But if you when you do the Prakriti Bhava, then Brahma will become Brahma. If it is Dirga, become Rasva, then Brahma Rishi. Two forms will be there. Brahma Rishi or Brahma Rishi. Brahma Rishi, Brahma Rishi, Brahma Rishi. This is Sandhi. And Brahma Rishi is a compound. Okay. Even Sandhi also, but because in Samasa, Sandhi is a must. So compound you will see. Brahma Rishi. In case of Samasa, it is a must. Somewhere it is there. Where is that? I think in case of compound, it is a must. Samase. Anyway, you can check that. Okay. I think Rityakaha only we have seen. Okay. So Purusha Rishabha. Okay. You can note that. Purushaha Rishabha. Narashardulaha. Narashardula comes where? Stotram, right? Some Stotram, Narashardula. Narashardula. I think the Venkatesh Suprabhatam. Yes, I think Venkatesh Suprabhatam, it comes Suprabhatam. No, Venkatesh Suprabhatam, Kamala, Kuchuchu, Kakungu Matoni, I think there comes Narashardula. So Naraha Shardulaha. Naraha Shardulaha Iva. Naraha is like a Shardula. So Shardula is an animal. What animal is that? Naraha Shardulaha Iva. Check that. Shardula. Shardula is leopard. Okay. So leopard. Shardulaha. Kala Chakram. Kalaha Chakram Iva. Vanarashva. Vanaraha Shva Iva. Vanarashva.
Sharanji,
We can't see the screen.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Screen.
Yeah, screen.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Good. So Narashardulaha, Naraha Shardulaha Iva, leopard. And Kala Chakram, Kalaha Chakram Iva, Vanarashva, Vanaraha Shva Iva, Shvanam, like a dog. Nris Somaha. Nru is Na Somaha, Na we know. Na is Nru Shabda. Na Naro Naraha, right? So Na, Naraha, Manusyaha, Somaha Iva, like a Chandraha. Somaha Iva. Then Kara Kisalayam. Kisalayam is soft, Komalam. So Karaha Kisalayam Iva. Parthiva Chandraha. Parthiva is like a Chandra. In the Sutram, Upamanani, Samanya Vachanaihi, the compounding. In the Sutram, the compounding was between Upamana and Sadhara Dharma. right? In the Sutram, the compounding is between Upamita or Upameya and certain Upamana, but never with Samanya Vachana. Please note. Therefore, we cannot form this kind of compound in Purusha. See, Purushaha, Vyagraha Iva Shuraha, cannot compound. Cannot say here, Purushaha, Vyagraha Iva Shuraha. Samanya Vachanam also is mentioned. Shuratvam is Samanya. Therefore, you cannot form compound. Right? Counter example. Purushaha, Vyagraha Iva, you can stop, but Shuraha is mentioned. Therefore, how do you form compound? Cannot form. And Vyagra Digana is Akritigana, and these are the words in that. And it can be added, more words can be added. It's Akritigana. Vyagra, Simha, Ruksha, Rishabha, etc. Right? Okay, the next sutra is after this Visheshanam, Visheshana Bahulam. I think I will see in the next class. That is the main sutra. So we have to discuss what is Visheshanam, Vishesham. What our word or what word can be called Visheshanam? What is Visheshya? So we will discuss. Visheshanam is Bedakam and Vishesham is Bedyam, or otherwise we can say Visheshanam is Vyavartaka, Vishesham is Vyavartya, that which is distinguished. In the last class, I think I told Uddeshya, Videya. So we'll discuss. We'll discuss in the next class. Today we'll stop here. Mavasya. The Taksha Mahalaya Tarpanam is there. So we'll stop the class now. We'll continue next week. Next week, what date it will be? Friday. 13th, we will have class. Navaratri time is there, 15th, I think, right? So we'll not have class on Navaratri days. Navaratri is at 15th, right? Should be 15th, I think.
14th is Amavasya.
14th, yeah.
Yeah, next, okay. 14th we will have class. From 15th one we will not have. Okay. So Vijay Dashami is on 24, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 24 we will meet after that. Okay. From 15th to 23. 24 Vijay Dashami day we will meet. Next week we will have class. Yes. Okay. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamitam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Sharanji.
Dhanyavadaha.